Yeah, just do that and make sure your phone's on it. You switch this on first, and then you switch your plane on. And carry all of it out before you switch it all on. So carry it out, switch this on, okay, take it with you, and then switch your plane on.
So I check everything out.
Check everything here, alright? They will do it, it's fine, alright? Check everything here. When you carry it out as it is, alright? Go and put that on the flying field, okay? Alright? And then when you've done that, alright, switch that on, and then switch your plane. Come back to the pits, come back to the flying area, and you say you're taking off some nice shell, taking off a little bit. Alright? You'll be absolutely fine.
So this is your machine, yes?
This is young Dave.
So what I want to know, I want you to check the plane out. You might have flown it. I'd like to see you check it out, find if everything's where it's supposed to be. The wings are attached and the wheels are still on it, and all the rest of it. Yeah. This is electric, so you don't need to start or anything. You know, with a glow motor. So
Can we take it out? Can I take it out for you?
you can have somebody help you.
I'll take it out for you.
Now what we're going to do.
You didn't expect this today, did you?
Neither did he.
Oh, I know. It's alright, as long as Dave's here, I can pull strings. But he's a good examiner.
I tell you what, it's the age to learn, you know.
Yeah.
How old is he?
Dave's over there.
11.
11.
He's learned well.
You don't fly, do you?
No. I
You don't
thought,
bother?
yeah, I thought I'd let him join first.